Hello, we are the group of Carlota, Victor, Joseph, and Miguel, and today I'm going to explain the respiratory system. I'm going to talk about the function of the respiratory system, the main parts of it, muscle used for breathing, pulmonary ventilation, gas exchange, and some curiosities we have. Function of the respiratory system and gas exchange, in the case of explaining it, are almost the same thing, so I'm going to talk about it at the same time. Firstly, I'm going to talk about function of the respiratory system. The main function of the respiratory system is to perform respiration. Respiration is a process through which we take oxygen from the atmosphere and we expel carbon dioxide. Gas exchange is the delivery of oxygen from the lungs to the bloodstream and the elimination of carbon dioxide from the bloodstream to the lungs. Main parts of the respiratory system. The respiratory system is formed by the nasal passage, the pharynx, the larynx and trachea, finally the bronchi and the bronchioles. The muscle we use for breathing is called diaphragm. It is a body partition of muscle and connective tissue. Pulmonary ventilation. Each lung contains 150 million alveoli. In these alveoli, the interchange of gases takes place. Oxygen and carbon dioxide move from one place of a higher concentration to a lower concentration. Have you ever asked the question of why do we sneeze? Why do we yawn? What causes sickness? So now I'm going to resolve it. We sneeze for removing an irritant from the inside of the nose. When we are sleepy, the lungs don't take enough oxygen, so we take a long breath in order to take enough oxygen. The diaphragm, as I've already said that is the muscle for breathing, almost always works perfectly. When you inhale, it pulls down to help pull air into the lungs, and when you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and air flows out of the lungs back out through the nose and mouth. Sometimes the diaphragm becomes irritated. When this happens, it pulls down in a jerky way, which makes you suck air into your throat suddenly. When the air rushing in hits your voice box, your vocal cords close suddenly, and you are left with a big hiccup. Hiccups are repetitive, uncontrollable contraction of the diaphragm muscle. Some things that irritate the diaphragm are eating too much or too quickly, an irritation in the stomach or the throat, or feeling nervous or excited. So this is the end. I hope you like it and enjoy it, and the most important thing that you have understood it. Bye!